So let's move to the next section where we're gonna build the services. So you can see we have to build this now. So for that we can just go here and we can just add a new container like this. Okay, so here we have to just add this like services. Okay, we can name this. Here we can write 1300 max width. Here we have the 80 pixel to the top, 80 pixel to the bottom. Okay, so let me copy this from here and we can paste it. Okay, so we can also use the flexbox now, make everything in the center. Okay, now you can see we have this, so we can just copy this, paste it. We have to just change the content. Okay, and here we can also write our services. Then we have the lorem option. We can just again copy this, paste it. You can make this in the center. You can use some custom value, make this like this. Okay, then you can see we have to make this now. So this is looking little bit tough, but this is not. I will show you how. Now we can just add a grid here. Let's add this grid. So right now you can see we have this 1 2 3 1 2 3 total 6. So let's make this like this. Inside this we can add a new container. Okay, and here also we can add this 30. Now you can see this. Okay, so now what we can do, we can just add the image first. So let's choose any image, like we want this image, right? And now you can see you have to set height. So let's set the height of 300. Right now let's set it 350. This is good. 250 is good. Now we have to set this gradient, which is how this will have a look. Okay, now we can just choose this one, go to this structure, choose this one. Okay, here you can see we have the gradient option. No, this is not. We have to go to this first. We can make this center position cover. Okay, this is good. Then in the background overlay, you will find this gradient effect. Here you have to choose the white and make this fully transparent. Okay, now next we can choose this. Okay, and here we can see we can minimize the 0%, and here we can have this. Okay, and here we can increase the full opacity like this. Here you can see we have the second color, and we can just okay, like this. You can see this is good. Now you can see we have this container. We can add a container here. Here we can put this to 200. Here we can put the text box. Okay, we can just remove all of this. Here we can add a heading. It will say interior design. Interior design, and this will make this to white. Okay, here is the text box 1. Here we can make this to okay, and here we can make this to 500. We can increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, and here we can just add this text editor. Okay, so you can just choose any random. Okay, so means you can add your text. Let's delete this. Let's go here. Let's make this white. Okay, you will see some random spacing here. So just go below like this. Okay, and here you can see we can increase this. You can see we have this grid one. Let's increase this to 300 like this. Okay, now you can see we have the text box, and here in the gradient background overlay, in this background overlay you will find these colors. So here we can increase this Okay, so this is visible now. Also we can just go to this 10. Okay, now I can see when I move our mouse, it is going to the top. For that, what you can do, you can just go this container, go to the advanced. Here you will find option transform. Okay, so in the scale option, put it 0, nothing will be changed. But okay, not in the scale, we have to choose the offset. So here, don't do anything. Go to the hover, choose the offset, and here in the Y direction, we can add some like this. So let's put some negative value, like we can put 40, so it will go to the top. Okay, so this is done. Let's publish this first, so we don't lose any changes. Now let's add a new container. Okay, we will need a new container. So this is not. This should be outside this. Okay, so this will be outside this. So this is the BTN. Okay, right now we can choose the color here, and inside this we can put an arrow. So we can choose the icon. Okay, so we can choose SVG. So I think I have some SVG. This is the arrow, right? I think this is the SVG. I will give you this SVG also in the video in the folder. Okay, there this is. So now we can choose this button. Now we have to play with this width. Like we can play with this width. Okay, and here you can see we can remove this. Now we can just make this white, whatever you want to change the color, but it will not work because it is already changed color. Now we can make this to 40. Okay, and here we can also make this to 23. So I think the color is not the same. So let me choose this color. Okay, now perfect. Now we can just go here. We can choose the BTN also. Choose the button. So we can choose the one, and we can make the space between. And for the BTN we can make this to end. So you can see we have this, and this is also working. So this our box is done. Now let's publish. Okay, so we have successfully built that box. Now what to do? We have to just go to this one, and we can just duplicate this. Okay, let's duplicate this. Okay, and here you have to just replace all of this content. Like you can go to the second one, go to this. Here you can choose any different image. Like we want to choose this image. Okay, so in this way you can just update all of these content and all also. Okay, now let's publish. So this is also done.